Yo, new channel here today, so I'm back at it with a new banger. But before we get into the video, guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at GingerPrice, my main account. Also, go follow me on YouTube channel 420 for new content coming up. But today, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a mystery box video. Basically, I got some clothing from this website called Riot. I got 3 sweaters, and it's a mystery. So let's get right into the video and enough blabbering. So I got the clothing right here. So basically it's not a box. It's cool though. It still came in a package. And we got 3 sweaters, guys. So let's open this baby up and see what the mystery is. Alright. Gonna open it. Ooh, okay. 1, I like the way they fold it up. 2 and 3. Okay, guys. 3 men hoodies mystery box right here. The sticker, if I want to return them, you know, always comes with this. So let's go with the first sweater. Open this baby up. And ooh, it's a black sweater. I like it. I like it. Oh, but look at that design on here, bro. And honestly, this is my first sweater. My first sweaters ever getting from Riot Society. The only thing I got from them is a jacket and this shirt. That's the only thing I purchased so far from them. And also these 3 sweaters I just got right now. And as you can see right here, what's the design right here? Let me see. It looks like a skull. That's pretty freaking dope. Look at that. The skating vibes too, not gonna lie, bro. That's pretty cool. And also, guys, I'm gonna model these for you. Not only show you them like this, but this is a size small. There's the design right here. Has leathers in the side. I'm pretty sure it says Riot Society. Right here. Yep, it says Riot Society right here, guys. Letters. Pretty cool. Very dope. Let's go with the next sweater now, guys. And they're all size small because, you know, I wear a small. Alright, guys. This is white sweater. It says NASA on it. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I like how it looks. So it says NASA on the sweater. Pretty dope, vibrant vibes. With the American flag on the side, as you can see right here. American flag. Yes, sir. We got these dope sweaters here, guys. But honestly, I think I like the white one so far best. Not the white one, the black one so far best. NASA a little bit too plain, not gonna lie. And it's white, so it gets dirty really easily. Don't like how it gets dirty easily with the white. But yeah, this is the NASA sweater. If you guys want to purchase this, you can purchase it separately on their website, I guess. For sure, all the time. Whew. And now, last sweater. Another white sweater, not gonna lie. White. And what kind of design does this one got? Okay, open it up. Has like a little flower. First thing you see is like a little flower right here on the side. Oh, you see a bunch of designs on the side of the sleeves. Pretty dope. Oh, and this one too. This side. So this is more of a plain sweater. Oh, and it got only one design in the middle. So there's one design in the middle, kind of like the NASA, but very small. And also, black stripes on the side, white sweater. Cool vibes, not gonna lie, I like it. Got the skater vibes to it, and I don't know what this means, but I'm gonna search it up later. It's like a Chinese letter, as you can see. But yeah, guys, those are the 3 sweaters. Oh, dang, I'm focusing. Hold up, focus. Alright, guys, but last but not least, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try on all these sweaters and show them on how they look on me. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, I'm outside because it's really nice out, and as you can see, this is a nice sweater. I really like how it looks. The material is semi-okay, not gonna lie to you. It's not the best material, but it's pretty good. Good. Skinny sweater to wear, you know. This is one of them. It says Japan right here. Riot Society Japan, as you can see. No letters over here. Got the skeleton and something else right here, you know. Nice sweater. Really like how it looks. But yeah, guys, this is the black one. I'll put on the other ones for you. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is another sweater with the NASA. Got the little American flag on the side right here. The NASA logo for the space, you know, space industry shit, you know. That cool stuff. Nice white sweater. You know, take it to a party. Looks like out like a geek, but also have some style. Like this sweater, I like it. It's nice. But my favorite still now is the black sweater, because white gets dirty easily. Alright guys, as you can see, nice sweater. Nothing in the back, plain in the back. Logo right here, logo right there. Let's go at it. And now next sweater. And this guys is the last sweater. Plain logo on the front. Nothing in the back, just the cool stitching with the black right here, as you can see. Also, the black stripes on the side of both sleeves, over here and over here. Don't know what it means, but it looks pretty dope. Also, what I thought about is this sweater looks really nice, like with a jean jacket over, or a jean vest, so you can show these stripes, and this in the middle. This is how I would wear this sweater, prefer, to be honest, and then tie a little knot right here. But yeah, guys, I like this sweater. It's really nice. But my most favorite, not gonna lie, was the black sweater, guys. Oh yeah. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. There were 3 sweaters in there. Mystery, you know. I really like the black sweater because I'm still wearing it right now, as you can tell. Also, before we go guys, make sure you guys can follow me on my main account at Ginger Paisa. Also, new channel 420, that's my other account for new content coming up. I'll have a screen recording here on the side. And make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and show the love guys if you guys like this video. And I hope you guys have a nice day. Go on the channel.